guys, welcome back to my vlog, and you know this is go to an important because anytime about me, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Saturday, so you guys are because my favorite camera, you guys works a lot. Actually, it's not even now like for some reason, so that's why I tell you guys on camera for all of it, but some of you know that we're professionals. You know how to fix it. Comment me down in the comments. Like, it's very helpful with me. So, make sure before we get started, make sure you like, subscribe, turn on post notifications, any type of new video. So, anyway, yeah, I had this Polaroid. I had this like collage and not old. Like, I had this like for a very long time and not old. It's take selfies with it. Nah, it's not working. It goes to the hole right here. It goes up and that stops. And it's not on with it. I don't know what's going on with it. And it's plugging or something. I have no idea. But you know, functionals like my grandpa and my dad. Comment down in the comments. You know how to fix things. Comment down in the comment section. Like, honestly, like it's very helpful, and you guys know how to fix cameras on Polaroid cameras. Comment down in the comments. Go follow me on my Instagram. Go follow me on Camille. Go follow me on my Snapchat. Go follow Chanel on her Facebook page and her Instagram. Her social media is down in the comments. Go follow her. Give her some love. So you know how to fix Polaroid cameras. I want a Polaroid. I love this Polaroid camera so much. It's so addicting. Like, honestly, I love this Polaroid camera so much. I love the color of it. And you guys know, like, I addicted a Polaroid camera. It's like, it's my world to me. Like, honestly, like, Polaroid cameras is everything to me. Like, honestly, I love Polaroid cameras. Like, honestly, they have so many things. Like, you know how to fix Polaroid cameras? Tell me on Instagram, Snapchat, and camera. You want to get a shout out or birthday? Follow me on my camera. And also, you want Chanel has camera? I'm gonna book her one soon, so go follow her and that as well. So anyway, you guys, please follow me on camera. Like, it's very helpful to me. It's also helpful for every single one of you. Like, honestly, please go follow me on Camille. Like, Camille is a good app you can use. So, like, you can do a birthday or a shout out. But, yeah. Camille is so easy to do. You're going to get a voice message from me. Or you want to get a shout out or birthday. So, go follow me on Camille. It's so very helpful when you go follow me on that as well. And also, he did for messages with me, you will get a shout on these cute people like that. You will get a shout in the next video. You go follow me on that. Make sure we'll go, yes, to I don't make it to you guys and also we're gonna have me get scroll.com something for the PO box as well. So no, we do have PO box at squad.com. Every single video is everything we upload. Yes, so it's on the screen, so go on it. So yeah, so go follow me on my social medias. Go follow Chanel on her social medias. Go social medias down in the comments. Same thing for mine as well. So yes, so helpful making on videos. I honestly we love you guys so much. Like, honestly, thank you for like, subscribe, turn on post notifications. And also, we're going to vacation shout out in this video, so go follow me. And yes, we're doing a big giveaway. Make sure you go follow me on my Instagram, Snapchat, Cameo, and go follow Chanel on her Facebook page and her Instagram. And yeah. And vacation shout out goes out to Emily. This time our vacation and always will be. Thank you, have a vacation shout. You want to be next vacation shout. We love you. You want to be next vacation shout. You know what to do. You make sure you like, subscribe, turn on post notifications. and see you guys on Sunday. Bye.